What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, people? What's going on, everybody? Happy Sunday. You have to say to the people, them not hear from we all long because we're busy and let me fix this thing. We're busy and people are asking what going on. We're not here from you all long. You know? We not have a contact information. Put it in the description. Say they in love with you and we not hear from them, not hear from we all long now. We alright, we're good. This is like we enjoy it so much. It remind me back home. We have so much to do outdoor. So we just try to get as much done. So you have to say to the people them babes.
Yeah, as I said, a whole heap of outdoor activities. So, and through a long day now, a short night. Sometimes we get up, I like no.
We just got have breakfast. You know what time now?
After 4.
After 4 p.m.
What this is breakfast I know?
It's a dinner.
Yeah. We call brunch or breakfast and lunch in one. Yeah. We call it when dinner, when breakfast and dinner in one.
Breakfast and dinner?
Breakfast.
You have a clue.
Breakfast and dinner in one. Breakfast. Yeah. Even if there is no such word, that's my word. Breakfast people, breakfast. Breakfast and dinner in one.
So that's really it. Alright, so
you can start it.
I go all over the place, get a thumbnail.
Oh my God.
Come up prepare together. We have what we have them. We have callaloo and fried green plantain.
Me have a snapper fish, a snapper in my one.
Yeah.
Brown stew snapper mixed with the greens.
Yeah.
And the plantain. You know, say snapper is a dapper thing.
You have extra.
Snapper, a dapper, dapper. Dapper, very good snapper.
Really, where you get that now? And we have some minty, some real Jamaican. You know, Jamaican, the fine mint. So, my stepfather sent it up for me. From one day, I'm gonna stop drinking. Love minty, you know. I'm my favorite bush.
Not too much minty, not good for man though.
Where you get that, babe? Where you get that now? Every time something not good for man. I don't know what not good for man. I can't keep up with you. What else not good for man?
Enough things.
Give me a list.
Too much ginger. The tree name, we run passion.
Okay. You know you said black pepper.
Black pepper not good for man. A passion make man run ration, you know.
Really?
When I say man run ration, I mean man shortage, you know. I mean a man himself run ration. Kill. It's like all the passion tree. Passion tree, kill anything, it take a hold of it. It's like a concrete wall and passion tree take over that, remember? Yeah.
So if you take over a mango tree, you kill it too?
Yeah. If you take it, I just time. If you get the time to take it over the right way.
Don't kill it.
So man nothing got this.
Man not drink it.
No. So it will kill we.
But you not beer pan you. Having the fruit, one. I mean, drinking the use it make juice or eat it at one, but like
Consume it, that's all. It have a wicked effect, that's all. I know still calm, I don't drink it. I don't want to prove nothing.
so. Why man and not woman?
We're not for dead. We're not for dead. Tell me.
I mean,
I feel that. Pause it. Pause it. Pause it.
so black pepper not good for man. Me know that, you say.
Anything with grainy. Not anything when them I can't blend out when it dissolve. Any grain when it dissolve. Not good for me. A strawberry. Like grainy. It can't when they do strawberry juice it's still grainy, you know? Time you don't really fool on them things there. Our exit is a little small, need like exit.
So if the grain them pack up down there, no have problem.
Like a black it up.
If it not come out properly, so when we can just let it come out and nothing on your faces.
Come on, can I go up, I guess?
Anyways, no more than that. Yeah, eat.
Are you making time for it?
But guys, we've been very busy.
Right now, I'm going to work out in the afternoon.
I was on bed after 5 this morning.
Some cleaning up.
We had a nice little party last night.
After party cleaning up.
So, we have after party cleaning up for you.
I'm not go out there until the sun gone in.
Well,
I'm like vampire.
after 4 now. So, when the sun going now, what time now? What time now? Because already 9 o'clock, it's still light up outside.
10 o'clock. You can't take the sun, vampire. I'm going to melt away.
You want out there hot, you know? When it's hot, it's hot. So, it's a nice bungalow of Callaloo, yes, man. Summer now we can get Callaloo for buy and I have to eat the one in the tin. Nice, soft. Love Callaloo, you know, me eat Callaloo 7 days a week like Aki, you know. Love Callaloo.
I don't know, you have to find it,
Cause me now get the double dose.
You're going to acid break.
Yeah. And then go to the supermarket, me now get double dose Aki. No, I get it. Like, it's scarce or something, I ask them around there. I get it. Double dose Aki sturdy.
No, we don't eat it, you don't eat it.
No, but we can't take the rest them way. When you cut them, you can see the packer in them from. Waste some money and Aki not cheap. At $8 for your tin. $14, $24.
Cheated.
No, treating, I mean. I treating for $24. And I can't buy more than less than treating. So
$24. We put some money there.
I commit that money to you. And a little bit for me. That's just the breakfast. And then it alone I use. So I now waste my money buy the other one them. Malika. Get you.
I'm gonna see a car.
Yes, outside.
Why from camera? Camera catch your head on you, see?
Look at that.
Can you stop it?
What do you do with me? You want me to have vlog, you can't tell me, you know? I'm for cheating, so.
It's so bad.
This time, sometimes you can't use food bribe me for vlog again.
Stop it.
A vlog? A vlog.
Vlog, whichever one you want. Come.
I do video. You can't use food to catch me, I know. What do more interesting?
You come back and so with your food again.
Vitamin D and then the whole 9 yards.
You come back with your food again. So
My business if me get me, I get black. My business if me, I get black or skin complexion or change.
You know what about skin complexion?
The outside, white line thing.
You know what I say? You say I'm not afraid of sun. Like, you know, or some people that say, no, I don't want to go in the sun or whatever. No, I have no problem with it. As long as it's not 100 degree where you know me, I roast out there. But anything at the 80s, 70s, 80s, 90s, not too much. Not too much. If it's 90s and it's not that hot, then that's alright. Like we're not blow with the 90s.
70s is comfortable.
Yeah, 70s comfortable, yes, but just I said, I'm not afraid of the sun. I'm not care if I want to burn up. If my skin complexion want to get dark, that don't matter to me.
People say, oh, you need to stay out of the sun because you get black. Because you look burn up.
I'm born and growing at it.
Me good, me take the burn up. I just a couple months. Out of 360, 65 days of the year. That's it.
65 or 50? 65, yeah.
Just about 70 odd days at this. Out of that.
Not even so much. Because in a fall and spring,
No.
not them eat there.
Summer.
I just say summer 3 months.
3 months.
90 days.
So more than 75 then.
Oh yeah, more than
75 now.
You know me, I think it's a 175.
75 days are outside. Really short. We started within.
Honestly,
I see what.
I used to love when it's summer. Love is in the summer, spring and fall. Because you can, with summer, spring and fall, you can literally get to do more outdoor stuff. But sometimes the spring and the fall,
especially
it's so
the spring.
cold.
Especially spring. You wonder when the winter go done.
Yeah. The fall not so bad, but the spring, yeah. Like sometimes they still get the snow. So cold. You have to put on coat.
I nicest mint tea this me drinking in years. I mean, make it, you know. That's why.
You're right. I mean, turn off the fire. Yeah, you make it, man.
The help me.
Right.
If I made a trade, man.
Right.
No. You never get none, you know. Can you do all of them? We do all the while.
So yeah, hurry up and eat it. Me not even get to taste the fish. Stop it, man, and stop
That's
the
why you
fish.
shouldn't give them, man. You send them outside. More, sell it back more in the house. I know you want them to buy me. Give me $10 and take all of this.
Keep it.
Alright, give me $9.
Put it in there.
$9.
I get it. Put it in there now.
That's why I have a barn. You want to get something in cod? You ready about cod? See audio. Cash and delivery. Cod. Give me money, I'm going to deliver fish in your plate.
No, man, eat your fish, man.
You got to taste more still.
I just don't want to taste it because I never eat any.
So, you got to taste more.
Siobhan eat mine this
It's
morning.
going to cost you $5 still.
Siobhan come in this morning and brush my one.
$5. The money with them out there.
So them fish and name. I not snap at this.
Go look it up.
Yeah, them fish are, them fish are a brown stew, really. Pass it for me. Pass it for me. Oh, she hang up? Oh. Pass it for me.
So now you about you got cut piece. So make sure
What you want?
that I should this.
Me tell you say me asleep. Me not have no privacy. Me not have no privacy. You call me on Sunday morning, you come on Tuesday morning, you come on Wednesday morning. What you want?
Why you have no privacy like me come to your yard?
On Sunday morning interrupt the piece cutting.
So
I'm going to say you're asleep. Just me come to your yard.
all when Sunday morning come and me need to have some time and I cut one like a piece. Yeah, call down my phone and
I get where the fucking dog get. After that, go say me not have more things than I me have. You soon get where you look for. You catch a stone tear out. Yeah?
Now here you ain't not good. Yeah. You sure you want me to know so I saw you stay? So you can get there?
No.
Hmm?
No.
You sure?
No. Oh my.
I don't speak here, Pan.
You.
What you mean I'm a speaker? I want me to pan then.
We lay down in our bed, side and side.
No, sir. I can't bother.
Nobody in
Cook
our
me something,
lifetime. You cook?
Of course, but they want me to go work.
There you go.
I'm tired.
Me say, you just also, you just all, you also till.
I can't out done. I'm tired.
All and out of that.
Yeah. From
Make sure you carry your plate. Me not no plate pick you up.
not even plate you not have your yard. When you come on me yard, you come for whatever you want. Me ever tell you so you fit carry plate.
Carry your bags there.
And you feel back so.
When you cook,
Carry your bags. I cook upstairs and try to bring some beef on. Cook food.
Axel and what?
should have had diet.
Axel and what?
I just don't have breakfast.
I'm one little piece of upstairs and take out with one spoon of rice.
Should
And
I,
most vegetables. So
That's-
one way this.
so you cook, you say you cook banana?
No, I cook eat one spoon of rice.
You cook.
Actually, rice and peas.
We eat banana this morning, yam and sardine cook up for breakfast.
I have
breakfast there,
still
still.
rice and peas in my fridge, you know. I have stir fry. I have stir fry broccoli and shrimp.
Okay, then go and eat it
I want little, I want taste a long time. I not eat out of your hand, so I will taste a little. I want a little. But at least you call me after my dinner. You're bad brother, you always want food. Is a wonder you call me now after me. Cause
And
you,
then on in a bed, you see, at this time, 4:31, I'm in a bed at half 6. So go on better than this, man.
but see ya, weird.
Go on better than this, man. I
Listen.
just want that on our aspect. Now what you want to
So what to that? So we're not human, we're married. We're married and we are human.
And that's our church service.
Where was Master Sewa?
And that's our.
No, sir.
Oh my God, Gracie, you're too much. Me never have nobody for talk to me like this, but
How much food you change? Alright, carry one come.
you think me I go come over your yard now? You make a sad mistake. Me a
Now
chill.
when you go feed it up, you're
What?
going to be here now and wash out your front.
That's it. You sure? You want me to know, say, I saw you raw.
You think I somebody this yeah? Oh no, think I somebody
You know
this?
the pan speaker.
Me I tell you, if you're thin skin, you cannot.
Yeah, we can't go. If you should have the past Pikachu.
Hearing good.
You know I'm going to behave myself. That's not when you're ready, okay?
Yeah, you want bigger man. Express yourself. Yeah, you want bigger man. Express yourself. You know already, me know you're not saint. Me hear you enough time, you don't know, so me hear you, you know. Me all in the house and hear you, you know, you don't know, you know.
That is not a nice person.
What you talk about?
Yeah?
What you mean by you tell her that? Man, you make she believe you. Man, you make.
Sometimes you come in the house, physically come inside of the house. I'm in the house, so I can hear you, you don't know. I'm just, me hear you, you know, me hear you carry on all the time. And then when me see you face to face now, you just give me that innocent little look.
Are more. Have it a fool people.
Can't fool me. You can't fool me.
You should come and tell me a jar
Me hear her all the while.
You hear oh she a blame me, you hear me say anything at all. Where? She should have tell me all of that a while ago.
Maybe the cut piece parts.
Me no say
That's the company where you tell me, say, run me on my yard. Not much work.
Work so much, man. Work so much, you know. So you don't have none of that time, man.
I'm never afraid.
Sunday morning, I best of the time, you know. You get up late.
Alright, I'm going to
You
More saying I get nothing.
Are you put that now?
More saying I get nothing.
I'll let you tell her this morning we're going.
Sure, say you want me to hear all of that.
And then you see we can't. My ear. You don't go, baby. Don't go your shit.
What the boss there?
They go for one. Wait, what me done cook the show too?
Okay.
Yeah, relax.
Boy, you not even stretch out your foot last night, man. You say you dropped
Mommy,
dead.
you know what I'm saying? Me that go to work and me look outside. I call out that now.
Me say you're all, not even my great granny no all like you.
Think you come over here.
You say you go change when you move come right here, so. And it look like you're worse. Not even if you push out your head through your window. Not even if you push out your head through your window and come out or come over here, come chill with me little or nothing. Your whole like I'm a great, not even my great grandmother, but my triple great grandmother.
Some people hold on them cold. She hold on cold.
Alright, I pay you man.
Me don't know about in your bedroom, you know.
So at least do anything out there. I want to chill and can't do anything.
No, I'm not doing me I talk about, are you?
I'm surprised to see him out so late, you know.
Yeah.
I look over them and say late. But me know why.
Yeah.
Him never had about.
Yeah, showing them out. Him have company, you know, when him have company, we chill
So
out.
bro, all of them grow together, you know.
Yeah.
History.
Yeah. Them have history, man.
And this man and him tell me what time he's coming. I'm not even know.
And even though you fall and you got your roost so early, you're still up until you're still asleep right till 4 or 5 o'clock. Cause by 6 o'clock you're gone in a for your bed, missus.
Tomorrow me I do a double.
Yeah.
I'm to rest myself.
Double way in your bedroom?
No, raw.
Oh, okay.
Later me I continue on my start, yes. I forget to give me strength.
Go hard though.
Yes.
You know me tired when I treat this, so maybe I'm strength.
And they say you're straight there. Alright, may I get a call from my son-in-law? Later. Hello? Oi.
Good day. Have any fun making over here?
We are there. You're not married, man.
No, you know, so we are going one little wedding something, so
Yeah,
we can't go outside.
food there. Me have some oxtail and curry goat leave back. You can come get some.
Alright, I'll 4 hours.
What? I want to pay for that.
Just make it small, man. Make it small, you know? You really put it small. Alright?
Alright then.
Yes, we are on here.
Cool. Go for the rice in our truck. Anyway, guys, we are gonna close out this video. We are having guests, and as you can see, we have a crazy moment. So we'll see you in the next one. When there? You fall asleep.
You wanna know when?
Yeah.
When you make my breakfast.
Next week Sunday. It depends on the schedule. So come here, Mel. Come and tell us something. Say the pitney them afraid of video. Well, film a video. Cause when they out there Galavan.
So, Galavan of a girl, of a boy.
I don't
Boy van.
No, me can just done. Galavan.
The girl and Galavan. Boy though.
No, brother.
Boy van.
Catch you guys.
Yeah.
We are out.
And remember the new word.
What is it that?
Brefna. Brefna. I'm going to create the spelling and make it know in the next video.
like, comment, share, subscribe if you don't already subscribe, and we will see you guys. Adios.
Breath now. Nika.
Oh my god.